Hello everyone, it's me again, Neri. I'm 11 years old. Today I will show you what is hiccups. Hiccups is normal expressions when you drink so fast, eating something so fast, and your body can't react. Is when it's annoyed a bunch of muscle under your chest which control the work of receiving oxygen and get the oxygen out of your lungs. When this gets annoyed, it tries to get oxygen in for a very hard way, called hiccups. Sometimes hiccups can sound very annoying and embarrassing. Imagine you are going to talk a conversations on the stairs and when you open your mouth, you hiccup. That one the most time you feel embarrassing. For me, hiccups isn't a funny way. When other people hiccups, we feel like it's funny. But the only thing is the person who hiccups not only feel uncomfortable on the body, but also feel uncomfortable and embarrassed when others laugh and point at them. I think hiccups can be caused with many things and many cues, like when you have a short hiccups, it will pass away soon, but if the hiccups are just there and didn't pass away, you can try some ways like drinking cold water fast or drinking cold water and rinsing it. Or pull your tongue roughly, or you can also be very scared. Be very scared due to the emotional temples of the brain can cause to the work of stopping hiccups. Hiccups are things that we need to have. But I think having hiccup is not that important as long as we eat slow, drink slow, so it's good enough for our lungs and our body to work properly. So hiccups is a thing that we need to have, but also don't need to have. We need to have because it's due to our question need to our healthy body. It can be useless, and also it don't have to be, because sometimes it can be embarrassing and not good at all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.